cluster all at home. This method is really affordable and super easy to do. I'm gonna be going into details about what you need and how you need to apply it to achieve the best result. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned and let's get started. To begin with, you need this lace glue.
They use it for lace frontal. If you have the lashes bonding or any good lash glue would do for this tutorial, but I'm using this because it works perfectly well. And you need any lash of your strip lash of your choice. I want to use this one because it's volume and I want some volume in my eyes. I'm just tired of looking boring, looking the same all the time, so I wanted to switch it up by using these lashes. So if that is what you want, also go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take the first one. I'm gonna pull from outside actually. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna cut out every excess on both sides of these lashes, and I'm going to proceed to cut the lashes into a cluster, like little pieces, little pieces, not too little because there's really no point. So first one, the back of my hand, you can see it right there. That is how I'm going to pick them up and apply them onto my eyes. Also, you just want to put your frontal glue on this. Oh my god, this is going to take a long time. Just take your tweezer or picker or whatever you want to use. If you want to use your hand, just go ahead and use it, but I'm gonna use it because I already cleansed my eyes with wipes, so I'm sure that there is no like residue of oil or anything. But take a small needle. I'm using a tip-in like this. You can take a tip-in like this, pick up some lash glue, just go up close into your eyes. You want to make sure that you get really up close. You want to put that beneath your eyes. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna get my fan ready for this glue. If you blink a lot, please do not try this method by yourself. So because this part is gonna glue to the one beneath and you don't want to do that to yourself. So use this to pick up the glue, go in your under eyes and apply that gently. Every time I want to blink, I just look up because I don't want this thing to literally go inside my eyes or go. I'm actually freaking out. If it goes inside my eyes, it's gonna ruin everything for me. There is a little one that is this close, which I'm gonna use this thing to pick it up and clean it. There. I'm still going in the glue. And you can also see what I'm doing. You need to use your other hand to just hold up this other side so that you're sure. That's my first layer. I'm gonna do this application on all the lashes at the back of my hand, so like this, before I apply them into my eye. This is my first layer. I can't see, so I have to tilt my head all the way. You want to make sure that it also dries out. I'm going to do the second layer. Because I want this to stay all the way for like 3, 4, 5 days. I'm just going to layer it at least 4 times. This is my second application. I'm going to do the same application on my lashes. third application, apply the glue. I'm going to use my tweezer or my picker. Start taking my lashes. I'm gonna take the first cluster, apply it, and just press it in. Second cluster, press it in, press it. Press it too, because I don't want to hear that it's a lot that is teaching us tutorial. Okay, third one, pick up your eyelid and press it down. Fourth one, look how beautiful that is. And the last one, I'm just going to apply it here, right here. Putting in a very clean lash picker, I'm going to press these things down so that they really hold together. Oh. I'm using a really clean one. I'm not even gonna lie, I am impressed. It feels so satisfying. Is that cluster lashes? This, oh my god, there is no going back. There is no going back. Look. Look at. Who is this? No, just tell me, who is this person? Because I don't know this. I've never seen this person.
Here is our final result. I told you guys this method is super easy. This set was on my face for about 7 to 9 days. Honestly, this method is not that easy to apply the first time, but once you get used to it, it just kind of elevates your makeup look and give you that Barbie finish look. It looks a lot more natural, also comfortable to blink. With this method, I think everyone that loves to put makeup on should definitely give this method a try. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys